On its 10th year, members of Cebu's press continue to showcase beauty, wit, elegance, and love for journalism through the annual Mr. and Miss Press Freedom pageant. 4 media companies from Cebu were represented with their equally beautiful and handsome media practitioners during this year's pageant held at NUSTAR Resort and Casino's Access Bar on Thursday, September 19. MyTV Cebu's very own Queenie Joligon, who works as a reporter for the company, won the crown as Miss Cebu Press Freedom 2024. She shared the spotlight with Remart Pogoy of the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas, who was proclaimed Mr. Cebu Press Freedom 2024. Both Joligon and Pogoy expressed their gratitude for the win, citing their passion and love for the media industry as key to their success.
Actually, I'm very happy pero wadyo ko ka-expect mag-win, but still, I was still aiming to win the crown kasi seeing the effort, the support na nahatag sa MyTV family na ako, I really wanted to give them the win they deserve. We deserve. Now that I've won the crown as Miss Cebu Press Freedom, it is my duty and responsibility to influence other media practitioners as well, to always keep in mind the ethical standards of the media, to always ensure that we disseminate information that is unbiased but biased to the truth.
I hope the Cebu media will continue to be the crusaders of truth and accuracy no matter what issues we are facing now here in Cebu.
Joligon and Pogoy outshined 3 other competitors, impressing both judges and the audience through the pageant's introduction and production number.
Yesterday's gossip is today's headline. I am Queenie Joligon, a reporter. And we are representing my channel,
your channel,
MyTV Cebu!
Hello, Miss MyTV.
Hi, Miss Missy.
How do you feel from being on field right now? You're taking a brand new role as a beauty queen this time.
During the question and answer portion, Joligon emphasized the importance of maintaining ethical journalism to safeguard the integrity of the press amid the rise of social media as a primary source of information.
With the emergence of social media comes the emergence of social media content creators and vloggers. And this time of age, especially the younger generation, they make those as news sources. They most likely get news information from social media content creators. And as part of the media industry, as a reporter, and as part of the Fourth Estate, it is our duty and responsibility to ensure that we give factual information, that we continue to use the ethical standards of media, and also it's our responsibility to give information that is based on truth, based on real facts, to combat disinformation. Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, Pogoy highlighted the need for media institutions to leverage artificial intelligence for their advantage in an ever-changing digital landscape. The enchanting night concluded with the crowning of this year's Mr. and Miss Cebu Press Freedom, along with the runners-up. Andrew Matthew Ortonio from the Freeman was named first runner-up, followed by JP Sablos of Sunstar Cebu, while MyTV Cebu's Arvin Buzon placed third. For the women, 𝗖𝗲𝗯𝗂𝗀 of KBP was crowned first runner-up, followed by Iris Hazel Mascardo of the Freeman and Claudine Flores of Sunstar Cebu. Joligon and Pogoy both pledged to continue advocating for fair, balanced, and ethical journalism in Cebu and across the country, even amid modern-day challenges. This has been 𝗠𝘆𝗧𝗩 𝗖𝗲𝗯𝗂 for MyTV Cebu.